Hi there, today's lesson is on drawing nets and calculating surface area. So we're going to look at 3D objects and we're going to see how we can calculate the surface or the area on the outside of those objects. Okay, so again we're going to calculate area, so we want to know how many squares are on the surfaces. So polyhedra are solids that have only flat surfaces and that are polygons. So each surface has to be flat, okay, and it's not like a curved, bumpy surface like a sphere or like a curved surface like a sphere. And its face has a face. Okay, so the lines where they meet, where the two faces meet, is an edge, and where corners of three or more faces meet, like such as there, those called vertices. Okay. So the most basic one that we're going to look at is the cube. Okay, we're going to do that a fair amount. Let's take a look at the cube. And we are going to look at what does the net of the cube look like. Okay, so the cube, if you flatten this out, each face is going to be a square. And when we flatten out the cube, we want to be able to fold it back up. Okay, so a net is when we're able to fold it back up without having to chop pieces off and kind of cut and paste pieces. So if you take a look at this cube, and there's different ways we can unfold it. So I've given you two possibilities below here and here. So which one of these nets can we fold back into a cube? Okay. Now this one we cannot. Okay, because there's no way we can, as we kind of try to make the cube, we can kind of roll this up, but then we can't make the top and bottoms of it. So we can make the sides. So for this one, we can make the side surfaces, but not the top or bottom. Okay, so we can't do that. We can just kind of roll that up. So this is a no. This one here is a yes. Okay, because we can make the four side surfaces with those four pieces, and those tabs on the top and bottom allow us to close up the top and bottom. So we can make side surfaces and top and bottom. Okay, we can fold those along. So this is a net of a cube. Okay, that's a net. This one is not considered a net. Although we have all the surfaces, all 6 surfaces, it is not a net because it cannot be folded back into the 3D shape.